Good morning. I see someone appreciates I turned their heated pad back on. Oh my goodness. Come on guys, let's go up the hill and get our food. Come on. Come on, let's go. I see Morris, he's coming up the other side of the garage. It's chilly out here this morning, and for various reasons I'm running a little late. There you are, sleepyhead. Hi. Hello. I got them out of your space. You safe to come eat now? Good morning. He looks fine. Good. Don started his work day, and of course Johnny's in his school classes. It's a cooler morning, you know, it's probably about 50 right now. We're supposed to be sort of cooler all week with a chance of a freeze overnight, I think Thursday and Friday. I don't know if we'll actually see that or not. I'm just out here enjoying the pretty morning. Walking with the kitties. Pulling a weed here or there. Tossing a stick into the woods here or there. You know, that kind of stuff. I'm over here doing a little weeding around my rocks. And I've got kitty company. I like it. So I'm gonna go back today and start working on the Queen Anne Victorian again and get this floor for the second floor built. I want to wait for the brown windows. I'm going to swap that window and that for brown, and if I start building stuff up here and continuing on, it'll be hard to do that because this one's not modular. This is actually pressed in. It doesn't just lift off. So I'm going to wait for brown windows before I do any more on this. I still don't have a lot of medium lavender. I'm waiting for that to come, but there's quite a bit I can do over here. Johnny asked for homemade mac and cheese with the ham for lunch. I did save some of the ham that didn't go in the split pea. So I'm making the cheese sauce now, and then I'll combine everything together. We're going to have leftover split pea for dinner. We have one more night's worth. That pot made 2 nights, so that's cool. It came out extra cheesy. I don't think there'll be any complaints. So, did I win the Good Mom Award for the day?
Yes, mac and cheese.
Okay.
That's all I need to say.
Exactly. You'll do good on your school. I know you are. Mittens is being a good girl today. She's in here keeping Johnny company. Good girl, Mittens. I got you outside for a minute in the middle of the day. Just to walk around, just to
stretch my legs a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, this is about ready to really leaf out.
Yeah, next couple days it's gonna probably explode.
Yep. Oh, there's a ladybug.
Yeah, it is a ladybug.
Yeah. Way cool. Little hint for the non-Lego builder. These edge borders that are used in so many of the roof designs are skeleton legs. Yep, that's what those are. Comes in white, black, light bluish gray, and probably gold. It's going on 5 o'clock, and so I think that means I've been working on it on and off, mostly on, for 5 hours. I think that's what that means. I did fix Johnny's lunch and take a walk outside with Don for a few minutes, but pretty much I've been sitting here. If it wasn't fun, I wouldn't still be sitting here, right? So I have used all except for like 2 purple bricks that I have, so I cannot do any more on the outside of this until I get some more of the medium lavender bricks. And I do have enough windows, although this door frame is supposed to be white, not the dark bluish gray color. I don't know that that's going to matter that much. I probably don't care. I might fix it. It's coming along. I mean, it's looking fine. It's doing good. It's fine. I did decide on the back side here on the second floor that I was going back to more of the lavender bricks. I haven't decided if I'm going to pull this out. Since I keep on talking about it, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it. And then if I have enough of these left over, I'll pull this out and I'll put purple here too. But if I don't have enough to do that, then I'm probably just going to leave it the way it is. Because like I said, this wall you really shouldn't see. And this wall over here, those are the two walls that attach to other buildings. You do see this spot here. At any point, it's coming along good. I had fun. It's working. Now, I want to share one little design thing with you. So this guy decided that it was okay to have windows up here with gaps. Here's a picture of one that he built. I'm assuming it's a he. It says Brick Brothers Pro. Brick Builders Pro. Anyway, I'm just betting it's a guy. He's going to have these holes in between his windows up there. And I'm like, that is such a no-no. That is like, I couldn't tell before I bought the design. I couldn't tell until I got this far in it myself. So I came up with doing this, which I think looks great. The only thing is it's not really attached to this macaroni, this curved piece up top. And so I turned it over to my engineering husband to figure out how to hold it in place. I was going to have him drill and put a rod in between them to hold them in. Like, you know, really hold them. And he's like, why don't you try a piece of double-sided sticky tape just on the back side. Not on the front out here, but on the back side. So... And he said, you know, if that doesn't work, then we'll go to plan B. And I tried it, and that is totally holding them in there. So I'm happy. I'm happy with how it looks. I think it looks good now, and I'm happy it's holding good enough. And even if it comes apart while I'm building on it and turning this thing 500 more times to finish it, so what? I'll just do it one more time when I'm done. But I think that's going to be a really good solution. So don't any Lego purists out there shoot me. But I would rather have a piece of double-sided sticky tape holding this up there than I would these huge gaps in between my windows, which to me is like nails on a chalkboard when it comes to Lego building. So anyway, I'm stopping for today, and I am pleased with how it's coming. I am. Since I figured this out, totally good with it. Don and his helpers. Are you happy to see me nighttime? Yeah. He's pretty good to nap with. He just over there tap, 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 tap. Right, Donnie?
That's right. Just tapping away.
I am out on the driveway blowing. Don is going to go pull some stuff between the garage and the carport. If you didn't know, American hollies lose their leaves in the spring. So that big holly tree right there, yeah. So there's a lot of pollen coming down right now, and there's fixing to be a lot of holly leaves. Wow, it's looking better.
Yeah,
First pass.
Yeah, we definitely made a good effort through here.
Yep.
You know, a lot more vines over here than the other stuff. There was a few saplings, but
right, a lot of vines, and some of them were like 1.5 inch, 2 inch diameter grapevine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to go much. I mean, that's
About to that pine tree.
Yeah, about to the pine tree. Yeah.
Yeah, that big tree to the left of Don.
Yeah.
All right.
Really. Quitting time.